Any demonic affliction, demonic torment, I command that evil spirit, come out in Jesus' name. Madness, come out. Any psychological problem, be healed in Jesus' name. Incurable disease, be healed right now. Young and old, children and youths, parents, mothers, and fathers, receive your miracle right now. Lord, let there be a confirmation. Everywhere, a confirmation. For healing, a confirmation. For deliverance, a confirmation. In every life here present and everywhere that we're connected together, in Jesus' name. It is done. It is finished. Confirmation in your life. It is performed. In Jesus' name I pray.